Sunday, guys. It's currently 6:20 ng umaga. Si mami nyo ay magbebenta today. Kaya maaga tayo. It's been raining all day yesterday. Alam nyo ba yun? So, si Daddy Mike kahapon actually, nagbenta rin siya. Doon sa kabilang shop. But, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi alam nyo, sobrang lakas ng ulan kahapon. Walang ganang mag-vlog. But ngayon, oh my God. Since it's sunny and magbebenta tayo, ay mag-vlog tayo guys. Sama ko kayo sa akin. So, sa kabilang shops tayo today. Kasi, yung normal na shop na pinupuntahan ko, they were having some power outage today. So, kailangan nilang i-reschedule. And, buti na lang nakabook ako today dito sa shop na to para hindi naman masayang yung Sunday natin, di ba? Para makabenta tayo. Ayan na, ready na ang ating mga baga. Tingnan nyo. Hindi ko napansin. Si Daddy Mike yung nakapansin ba? I don't know what happened to this. Tingnan nyo, it's sticking out. Seems like someone pulled it. You know? Or whatnot. It is. Yeah. I have to figure out how to. Just leave it, Daddy. I don't think it's gonna hurt. I have to figure out how to fix that one.
Yeah, cut apples.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
A few moments later.
Set up na si Namin niya. See? The water.
Because she wanted to sell, and then she was like, I think she's going out. I know the show. Just tell them we'll make it. Like, we're going out tomorrow. Just like, try and make it.
Now driving home, peeps. 11:37. Oh my God. Napakainit. I'm sweating like a pig. But it doesn't matter, guys. Kasi kahit na pawis, may kita naman. Diba? Ganun lang yun. I've done really well today. I'm very happy. Even though walang masyadong tao, like hindi maraming tao doon, but I have sold a few of my bags, which is medyo malaki yung kanyang yung price kumpara sa mga damit, so I'm very happy about that. Ngayon sobrang init pero it's cloudy na naman, uulan na naman ata mamaya. Pauwi na tayo kasi at 1:30 may pupunta sa bahay para mag-pick up ng bag. Busy si mami niyo, guys. This is my life. Mompreneur. Mom and entrepreneur. Kailangan magsipag. So, yeah, merong isa na pupunta and then, I don't know, we might take this car to super auto cheap para ipatingin namin yung sa likuran ba. Oh my God, alam niyo ba, sobrang daming nangyayari sa sasakyan na to. I can't believe it. All the time, ewan ko lang, marami na sa nagsabi nito. Itong sasakyan talaga ay parang may na ba, tawag ito, bad, spirit or something like that. You know, nothing against this car, guys. Sobrang, it's ganda. But, yun nga lang, laging may nangyayari. Doon ko nakita nyo kanina, yung wiper sa likuran. I don't know, someone pulled it or something. Diba, how many times na tayong dito na bundol sa sasakyan na to. Yung very first talaga na nangyari is yung sunroof na it was broken. For some reason, di ko alam paano yun nangyari. And then, dalawang beses na bundol. And then there's just lots of things happening with this car for some reason, guys. Hindi ko alam. I feel like a bad person. Sino ba ngayon ang nasa matinong pag-iisipan, ang like, just pull that thing on the back? And you know, if hindi yan siya ma-fix namin na kami lang, ibig sabihin, kailangan na naman nating mag-spend ng dolyares para mapaayos yan. Palagi na lang, guys. Hirap pa namang maghanap ng pera, guys. Before, sabi ninyo, paanuhan nyo na yan yung sasakyan na Jovi. Alam nyo yung pa-blessingan ba? Okay, yun yung nangyayari. Which, ginawa namin, guys. Pina-blessing namin yung sasakyan. But, hindi mo talaga it won't stop the bad people to like do bad things. Oh, yun, nakalimutan ko yung ninakaw yung ating number plate, di ba? Kamakailan lang yun, last month pa lang yun. Ngayon, ito na naman. Palagi na lang. Anyways, sometimes iniisip ko na lang, it could be worse. So, ito na eh. What can you do? Just have to fix it. Umuulan na nga. Anyways, like what I mentioned, guys, happy. Today is actually one of my best days. Charot. One of my best days na pagbibenta, guys. Yeah, I'm very happy.
See you, Tommy's. He's closing soon. Gotta go.
Okay, you go. Alright, I have to go home. Have you got the garage keys?
I got the keys.
Garage. Hi, baby, I miss you.
Love you.
Love you. I have to drop everything. Yeah, I'll come. I'll come after I drop everything. Love yous. Bob, hold the kids. Hi, Nak. Hi, baby. Kiss so much. Oh, look on. No.
What's that?
Okay, go. Okay, get it. I know, someone did a stupid thing in our car. Ini, go pick it up, sweetheart. Someone. Come, bless
What
Mama.
did he do? What did they do?
Oh, someone pulled it. Bless Mama. I love you so much.
Help me.
Mwah.
Give me.
Give me a second.
Give me.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Fix it now.
Huh? Do you know how to now?
See, if you look at this one, right, it just needs to be pulled down. Okay.
So stupid, huh? People who's got nothing to do.
Should be. I'm guessing.
You gotta remember, above every car is different.
Nah, but in theory, see how that one's down? Should be the same.
Ate, go on the side, ate. It's this cars.
Second, I did first. I'm next.
Where are we going, anak?
We're going to Bunnings.
Bunnings.
We might even play at the playground. No, we're not.
Might.
Going Bunnings.
What's the time now?
I am not Paris. I'm you know how I am. Come on.
Oh, it's 5:30 naman dahil lang.
Max. You're all Max.
Alam niyo ba nakatulog si mami niyo, guys? Nang very light. Kaya lang ginising ako nito, oh.
Ma! And Mama, whenever
Yes?
I like, get more power and I transform to Sama, this is what I have to do. Don't walk over me. Sorry.
Ay, linis, tayo na.
This.
Pupunta kami ng Bunnings kasi bibili ako ng packaging tape. So, dapat yun yung gagawin ko kanina nung pagka-uwi ko. But I felt so tired, guys. Grabe, sobrang pagod na sa atin. Kaya halata ba, guys, sa ating aura. Grabe. Pagod si mami nyo kahapon. Parang non-stop talaga. Ay, hi, Hia! Anak ko! Our car is here na! So, nakatulog ako. And then,
Get away. You get away.
sabi ko ngayon na lang pagkagising ko, guys. Kasi magpapadala tayo ng balikbayan box sa Pinas ngayong Tuesday. Nakabook na kasi talaga na pipick upin 2 box. Isang box na puno ko na. But it means na kailangan kong punuin ang isa pang box by Tuesday morning kasi pipick upin nila. So I only have tonight and tomorrow para punuin yung box. So wala namang problema, guys, kasi marami naman akong ipapasok sa box. Yun nga lang, you need to like do the, parang ipack yung box and all. Hi! Come on, let's go.
I'm Summer. I'm so. I'm Summer.
Walang masyadong tao ngayon na kasi late na.
No one is Summer. Yeah, you're Elsa. And I'm Summer. Yes. I'm Summer. Yeah, hello.
Sure, Paris. No. Nung presya. I'm wondering what time they're closed today.
Can you hold my hat flip?
Sure.
Mama, can we send us your feedback?
Okay, Baba. Come on, keep going. Go
When
straight.
can we do it?
Later. Okay, follow ate lang.
Wait, do we go?
Yeah, just straight.
When you put socks here.
Yes, that's right. Careful, close to someone.
I'm Summer. I'm Summer. And
Oh,
And this is Elsa, and she's trying to attack me.
careful lang ga. Ito yung kailangan natin. Oh. Heavy duty shipping. Kasi makapal na makapal talaga ito siya.
Daddy, Elsa!
Yan.
Go back.
Tupak.
Go back. Go back.
Kung dalawa, 16.57. Kung isa 8 or 9, dito na lang ako, di ba? Bright ba nila? Ano?
Stop.
We'll just get to this. We should be alright. We'll get dark one as well.
Leslie, push me. Leslie, push me here. Ate, hold this. Ate,
Can I put it here, Ling? Which one is yours? La, anak, mataga ka na. Agoy, ma.
Hey, Leslie,
No, anak, no. Because the police will see us and they will kick us out the shop, okay? Okay, that's yours. And then I'll get one for brown packaging
Put
tray.
in mine. Put in mine. Put on mine. Put on mine.
And-
Put
oh,
mine.
hang on.
Put on mine. Mine. Mine.
Ay, gusto ko. Ay, anak. I need the, yung parang,
Mine. Mine.
packaging.
Look at mine. It's closing.
Bakit ito ay... So, ito 3-pack is 450. Ito siya 815.
There's no sense in it.
Maybe. Hindi to siya kasing strong, maybe.
Actually, those,
No.
there was a sit. No.
Actually.
No.
Should we get another one, anak? I'll get another one. Okay. Come on.
There's no else is for this?
What else?
Crazy.
Oh, yeah, actually. Magtatanong tayo about sa
It's up.
security camera.
Here. Just here. Okay?
Say, balik pa yung box, guys. It's alright lang. It's okay. Let Lini do what she wants, okay? Move, anak, so she can write. Ito yung pangalawang box natin. Write a personal message to your loved ones here. Paris, dear Lola, I love you. And then Celine, kuris.
Mama, I want to draw something.
Yeah, when Lini is finished, okay? We're gonna be quick anyways, because Mama has to pack it.
With what?
The packaging tape I got.
Can I try now?
Okay, take turns, please. So, Ati's turn, Lynn. Wow, what's Lini drawing?